You think your biggest fear is being abandoned. It isn't. Your real fear is this: if you stop chasing them, you will finally have to meet the person you've been abandoning the longest. You. Modern dating taught you to obsess. Will they choose me? Stoicism asks a different question. Will I choose me, or will I sell myself again? Today is not a comfort video. This is a demolition of how you abandoned yourself, and the protocol to get yourself back. Listen carefully. You are not unlucky in love. You are highly trained in self-betrayal. 40 years of philosophy, and one thing is obvious. Most people don't fear loneliness. They fear the moment the noise stops, and they hear the echo of the life they never built. Stoicism is not a quote for your wallpaper. It is an operating system for self-respect. Neuroplasticity is not a buzzword. It is proof that your brain can be rebuilt. So in this video, we do 3 things. Demolition. We tear down the victim-only story. Blueprint. I show you the architecture of self-abandonment in your nervous system and identity. Protocol. You leave with 3 daily drills to start rewiring your brain out of this pattern. If you want to stay a victim of bad luck, you can click away now. If you're ready to become frighteningly expensive for manipulators to date, stay. Let's start with the ugliest truth. You say, people keep abandoning me. But look at your history honestly. How many times did you feel that knot in your stomach and stay? Hear the disrespect in their voice and laugh it off. Know they were half in, half out, and you offered them even more of yourself? That is not them abandoning you. That is you walking yourself to the edge and pushing yourself off first, just so they don't have to. Why? Because childhood trained you in a religion, the religion of self-abandonment. For some of you, this started early. You became the good child. No needs, no complaints. Or the therapist. You fixed everyone to earn your place. Or the performer. You were only safe when you impressed. Your nervous system learned a rule. If I disappear, I survive. So now, as an adult, when you meet someone who ignores you, you don't run. You feel home. This is why you attract the wrong people. You do not attract them like a magnet. You recognize them like a memory. Let's kill this sentence forever. I just attract toxic people. No, you tolerate them. You negotiate with them. You abandon yourself again and again until they don't even have to leave. They just watch you slowly erase yourself. Beat. Harsh? Yes. Necessary? Also yes. Because if you are the one abandoning you, then you are also the one who can stop it. Now we draw the blueprint. What is actually happening in your brain and behavior? 3 layers. Nervous system, what your body calls home. Identity, who you believe you are in relationships. Standards, what you say you accept versus what you actually enforce. Layer 1, nervous system. Your brain is plastic. It wires around repetition and intensity. If for years your love experiences were inconsistent attention, walking on eggshells, earning affection by overgiving, your body now reads anxiety as love. Calm feels boring. Respect feels suspicious. So when you meet someone stable, you don't feel chemistry, you feel nothing. Because your addiction is not to people, it is to emotional spikes. This is why you keep abandoning yourself. Your brain screams, this chaos is familiar, this must be love. Layer 2, identity. Identity is the story you repeat about who you are. I'm the strong one. I'm the understanding one. I'm the one who never gives up on people. Beautiful on Instagram, deadly in real life. Because when your identity is the rescuer, you will always need someone broken to justify your existence. You will abandon your needs to keep the role. Layer 3, standards. You write long lists, what I want in a partner. But your real standards are not on paper. They are in your behavior. If you say, I want honesty, but you stay after catching lies. Your standard is not honesty. Your standard is, As long as they don't leave, I will adjust. Self-abandonment is not a mystery. It is a system. The good news? Systems can be redesigned, blueprints can be redrawn, neurons can be rewired. Now we move from demolition to construction. This is the Self-Abandonment Protocol. 3 drills, daily, non-negotiable. Do not just understand them, run them. This is training, not therapy cosplay. Protocol 1, the non-negotiable line. Morning, 2 minutes. Every morning, before your phone, you write 1 sentence by hand. Today, I refuse to stay in any conversation where I feel small, mocked, or unsafe. That's an example. You customize it. Maybe it's lying, maybe it's yelling, maybe it's disappearing for days. Choose one behavior that is now non-negotiable, not 10. 1. Then you do 2 things. You say it out loud. You picture yourself enforcing it, getting up, walking away, ending the call. Why? Because repetition plus emotion rewires your neural pathways. You are teaching your nervous system. Safety now equals walking away, not staying. This is Stoicism plus neuroplasticity, preloading your response before life tests you. Protocol 2, the Micro-Defiance drill, daytime, 30 to 60 seconds. Once per day, you perform a micro-act where you choose your need over someone else's comfort. Small, not dramatic. Examples: you say, "No, I can't talk right now." Instead of sacrificing your rest, you choose the restaurant instead of saying, "I don't mind, whatever you want." You stop explaining yourself after you've already said no. This seems tiny. It is not. Each micro-defiance is a crack in the old identity. I exist to please. Your brain records it. I can choose myself, and the world did not end. That is a new neural association. That is a new identity forming. The person I do not abandon. Protocol 3, the spine check. Night, 3 to 5 minutes. At night, you ask yourself 2 brutal questions. Where did I abandon myself today? What would the non-abandoned version of me have done instead? Write down 1 moment from the day. You laughed at a joke that actually hurt. You agreed to a plan you didn't want. You stalked their profile instead of going to sleep. Then you write the alternate move. I would have said, "I don't find that funny." I would have said, "I'm not available that day." I would have closed the app and gone to bed. You are not doing this to shame yourself. You are doing this to design new blueprints. This is cognitive restructuring, literally rehearsing a new script for your future self. Over 30 days, this becomes your new default. Your brain starts offering you the new action in real time. That is the rewiring. Let's be clear. Most people will watch this, nod, maybe comment, "So accurate," and then go back to chasing the next disaster. They don't have a relationship problem. They have an entertainment problem. Pain has become their favorite show. If that's you, this is your exit. You are not ready for an operating system. You want a lullaby. But if something in you is done selling yourself, done negotiating with disrespect, done abandoning the one person you are guaranteed to die with, then here is your contract. For the next 30 days, run these 3 drills every day. The non-negotiable line in the morning. 1 micro-defiance during the day. The spine check at night. You will not become perfect. You will become dangerous. To anyone who profits from your self-abandonment. This channel is not a museum of Stoic quotes. It is a forge. A place where people who are tired of being prey become architects of their own life. If you are one of them, subscribe, and in the comments, write 1 sentence. I am taking myself back. Not for me, for your nervous system. It needs to see you mean it. We continue your training in the next blueprint. But tonight, your only job is simple. Do not abandon yourself. 1 more time. Subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for the next episode. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets your modern life.